Hey guys! Oh my gosh. What's up, what's up? I almost forgot to stream today. We didn't know it was Thursday. We've been too locked in. Trying to get stuff done. Axel, hey! Eisen, Tappy. First, Axel doesn't count. I'll have to miss the stream today. I decided to go in early. No worries, Disco. Hope you've been good today. I started kind of late because I really forgot that I was gonna stream today. To be fair, I was distracted by... We have a stinking snow day today. Literally like more than half a meter. If I were to guess. It felt like it. It took 3 sessions to clean out the driveway. That's me, my dad, and my sister. And we had to push a random car because it got stuck on the street. So, many endeavors. Jax Builds, hello. What's up? Anyways, I'm just gonna hop right into it because I was doing a bunch of random stuff, but clearly I was busy. So we'll see what's on the to-do list. Hey Manny, I was still muted. I mean stream. I'm not just talking to myself, am I? All right, I have 11 hours of graphics debugging behind me. What? How goes your game? Do you guys have an official name for it already? In my head, it's the Goose Rhythm game. Is that what you're debugging lately? I think M said you guys were doing some calibration stuff, yeah? What's the story? Whose car was it? Just a rando. Whose game? Talking about Tappy and M. They're a duo. Anyways, I've been adding more assets into level 12 here. Laura might want to do like a background change, but she also does like the forest vibe here, so. Hey, look at my door. I did like an open door. Gotta mask it a little bit though. Rhythmandgoose.com? What? Cool. Fun. You're in the alpha phase right now? Zippy Zach, what's up? I I zoomed out on this temple level, and I think I like that a little bit better. Alright, so I don't know if I like the seeds. Might have to switch it to something else. Alright, let's see. What are you guys up to today? It was pretty much a snow day for us. Snowy, snowy. This doesn't look like it contrasts well. Sobbing? No! Axel! Wobbledopsy, hey! Heard there's some game dev going on? That's right. You're working late? Darn. It's past the end of the workday. Cool. Okay, I changed the seeds, but the context doesn't really make sense. I gotta figure this out. Need to settle on something. I feel like the to-do list just gets longer. No. Seriously? Oh yeah, Eisen, you tried Godot. Liking it so far? I've only used it once. Gonna have to reopen. Something's up with my Google Sheets. Come on. Let's work. Ah, very strange. Owner King, hey, and M. Welcome, welcome. Oh no. Oh, thank you for the gift sub. Appreciate that. Thank you, thank you. I know, I was pretty much gone for a month, huh? Crazy. It's not refreshing from the Google Sheet for some reason. Okay, well, no big deal. I'm sorry. I forget to chat half the time. I am locked in, trying to get some small things done. Hmm. Rugs 888. Hey. Thanks for the follow. Everyone take cover, she hasn't noticed us. Hey, hey. Man. I have been testing the game lately, and I'm feeling kind of better than usual about it. Just need my little animations, and we're getting like a whole bunch of new art from Laura, which is great. That makes me feel good always. Just hoping the game design feels worthy of the art. That's always my biggest concern. Medusa Tea, hey! What's up? Maybe I should put the sign over here because it might be confusing. I've been telling people you were drafted to go to war. You never know these days, right? I've been training. What on earth? Oh no. What? Stop breaking things. What did I do? There we go. Art is really fantastic. Thank you. Props to Laura. She's been working hard this week, getting more of the assets in. So it is exciting for sure. Be right back. Dinner break. No worries. Enjoy. Reminds me of the storybook, which feels really suitable for Greek myth. That's what I was hoping. So far, so good. But you know, we need to dive into the depths of it in World 2. Because I feel like World 1 still... there's not too much going on. No. The variable target. Oh, yeah. Maybe I move the camera a little bit. The seeds don't really have contrast with the path, but maybe it depends. Save. Do, 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 do. Overjoyed for inclusion. Hey. Thanks for the follow. I'm now terrified whenever that progress bar shows up. I know, I was feeling the same way. That's why I was just having a good chuckle to myself. Traumatized. Ride, hey, thanks for the follow. Hello, hello, guys. What's up? What are you guys up to? Test that in just a moment. Okay. It's a little too shiny, though. By the way, I got some new UI assets into the game, as well as many other assets. But look the main menu. And I changed the font. Looks cleaner now, right? And Axel has made our settings fully functional. And I got French. Although not perfect yet. So yeah, it's coming together. Just starting game dev stuff. Following other Unity devs. Nice, nice. The thing is, it was working for the longest time until like today. Is that not true? Yeah. I can't imagine being the one debugging this right now. just happened here? This code has been in the game for weeks. Exactly. So why today did it decide it wants to go crazy? You want me to revert the changes in yours? This one? I love that your game uses click to move. I'm a gamer living with a disability. Oh. Yeah, we got click. We have controller and keyboard as well. I'm trying to add as many intuitive controls as possible. If there's anything else I can do to, you know, make the game more accessible, please let me know. Because, you know, it's not always at the top of my mind. Axel, you want me to push the revert? Or just keep it on my side for now? Brain implant chip, you think it and the game does it? Yeah. No problem. Is there a demo somewhere? We're working towards finishing the demo. Been doing a little bit of playtesting, but it's still lacking on some of the polished stuff. But the demo will be out next month for Next Fest. So if you'd like to wishlist it, please do so. I'm going into my dungeon now to figure this out. Oh my gosh. Man, this bug is brutal today. The planets must not be aligned. I swear, right? Okay, code. No, I feel like it is a Unity thing. And if their stuff is not even working to begin with, that's a problem. Oh man, I got stuck. Okay. What was I working on? I moved the sign here, which is good. Then I think I was working on some level 12 stuff, which I'm mostly almost satisfied with for now. The grass patch might have to be changed a little bit. Happy to provide accessibility feedback after trying demo. Yay! That would be lovely. That's right. Feel free to join the Discord. So, always something happening there, and then I will open new channels and stuff for playtesting feedback. Quack quack, hey! Did I hear demo? Next fest is the goal. Next fest, February. It's gonna creep up on me. Need to add a little more color there. Okay, I think I got all the asset updates in here. This one's a little confusing. Wait, I don't like that. Hey, Wallaber! Thanks for the raid. Hey. I'm gonna roll back to the OG version and try a different editor version. Don't really want to waste time on this. Yeah, that sounds good, Axel. Please do. How's the project coming along? Pretty good. Welcome, everybody. Vex, second favorite. Hello. Azure Low. What's up? It's going good. Working towards the demo for next month. We're gonna enter Steam Next Fest. And yeah, it's coming along. Obviously still a lot of work to do on the rest of the game, but I just want to hit my milestones. If I don't do, I've already said I wanted to do Next Fest for like the past 2 Next Fests. So at least getting the demo done and out there will be a good milestone for myself. Are you doing Next Fest? Yes. Hi, I like your pretty painted trees. Thank you. Working with a wonderful artist. It's still like half temporary art, half real art for some scenes. But yeah, slowly replacing everything. Just need like some more animations as well. I'm kind of in a polishing phase. Really. But my demo portion is playable. I think it's actually been the past 4 Next Fests. I admit, I dream too big. This was supposed to be my little small, fun little project. And now it's a full-blown project. It's okay. I'm confident it will be done. How does one join Next Fest anyways? You make a Steamworks account, you make a page for your game, and then you go to festivals and you click register for Next Fest, or any festival on Steam. That's about the gist of it. That's right. Important details from Axel there. The owl needs a little more contrast. I might talk to Laura about that. One cool idea would be adding support for controlling using switches, meaning walking forward automatically when you reach for make space cycle through available directions and enter choose directions. Oh, like instead of repeatedly walking on switches? Wait, why don't you guys use a snowblower? Are you talking to me? We have a small snowblower. It still took so long to clean though. Snowblower and some manpower. Tool Adoralis. Hey, the art for the stone stuff looks really good. I like the style. Thanks. Working with an artist, but this level is basically the entrance to Athena's temple level. So lots of owls, lots of statues and symbols related to Athena. Oh yeah, that's right. I gotta change that. And then gotta build out the rest of the temple coming soon, possibly this week. And then we gotta replace the path art a little bit. Yeah, I'm confident it's gonna come along because if you guys saw, let me see if I have an old picture of this level. Okay, it's just really outdated on this one. But until like earlier this week or a couple days ago, it was just a lot of my mock art. So this is already a lot better. Oh, switches that people with disabilities use to control their computer. Got you. Okay, I will look into that because yeah, I wasn't familiar with you know, different devices. So we will look into that. Axel over there is working on a lot of the back end stuff. So we will add it to our list and we'll see if that's possible for us. I would love to, obviously. I'm trying to be inclusive with languages. Another thing I need to look at is like if we're colorblind friendly. I'm trying not to do color puzzles, but I might have thought of one for one of the levels, so I do need to look at that. I think accessibility controllers function like Xbox D-pad. Yeah, we'll definitely maybe get ourselves one for testing. That would be very, very handy. Okay, I think I'm done replacing the art for that one. Okay. Okay, it's getting there. Can you add Japanese for me? We'll see, we'll see. Will the game be compatible with the dance mat peripheral used with games such as Dance Dance Revolution? I don't own a controller or mouse. Come on. All right, Axel, add it to the list. In fact, there's going to be a dance sequence in the game. So that'll be perfect. Oop. Don't know if I love this level yet, but that's okay. Added the animation for the relic. Definitely a lot of text at once, so I might need to animate some of the text in. I only use a Philips wireless toothbrush. Will your game support that? Come on. Did artist Axel make it? It's a secret. HTML decoder, hey. Alrighty. Don't know if I need a button on those. Maybe not necessary. No. Nice. All right. Wonder if okay. Well, I think I've replaced most of my stuff here. Okay. Blah, 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 blah. This stinking list. It's crazy. I think this is fixed. I'm sorry, I gotta add it to the Trello, but I feel like this is... It's just too much right now. I gotta filter through it. Is there even a dark mode on Notepad? I feel like that's a no. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. I guess I should figure this out right now. And perhaps... Oh yeah, GDKO is starting soon, right? Or maybe it's already on. There is on Windows 11. Oop. Okay, maybe I'll do this. Okay, wait. Let me figure this out. Do I have something for the dialogue? Where is it? What are you talking about? You can select object sketch. Have you tried singing? Well, I sing for the fun of it. Why? I don't think the observation points are an issue. We got all the musicians in Hightail server except for the singer. Oh, that ain't gonna be me. No, no, no. I just mostly need advice on that. It was that editor version? No! Well, I guess that's a good thing. You don't have to change too much stuff. But are we gonna upgrade to a different version? 6.3. Alrighty. I will do it after the stream. Nodes with symbols for different interactions on the path. Yeah. I gotta brainstorm that. Where did I put the blocking thing? It worked out of the box for me. Nice. Okay, well, at least they fixed it in that version. Is this a TXT stream? Pretty much. This is crazy. Polaris, hello. What's up? Only real programmers use Notepad. That's right. The thing I hate doing most, asking Laura for iterations on art. Because I obviously don't know better. But it makes me feel like I'm being too much. Oh yeah, this is kind of important. Ask Laura if she want to hang out. It's how you say it. It's true. She's always been really, really nice whenever I ask. Dynamic scenes. Door open. Oh yeah. Gotta test this. think I got past that. Running through build on new version. Oh, okay. Sounds good. My stream's not gonna be too long today. Okay, cool. What do you mean? You said 12 hours? Nah. You forgot the slash in between. Half an hour. All right. Okay. Well, this is my list. Gotta chip away. Da-da-da-dum. Oop. Was I supposed to pull that or no? Have you broken the news that we're probably only getting one stream next week? Did I say I was busy? I don't even remember. Did I say that? I got some memory loss. Thank you. I got a notification on my calendar for something next week. What are you talking about? What day is it? Oh yeah. True. I probably won't stream on the Thursday. That's funny. We'll see. We'll see what my mood is like. Did you forget your birthday? I mean, I was thinking streaming wise. But yeah, let's not talk about it. I've religiously put people's birthdays in my calendar. That makes sense. I think I have yours in there as well. One of us. I don't know. I'm getting a little bit of a crisis. But it's fine. If I can release Sophia this year, I will be a happy camper. Someone say crisis. Alert. Alert. Happy birthday. Thank you. It's next week. But I appreciate that. Winter baby. All right. Okay, I gotta figure out the blocking area transition thingy. Do I want it to be a boulder? Too funny. By the way, I'm getting you a dog. Oh my gosh. Can just implement with temp art though. Yeah, we might have to do that. Maybe it's dependent. I do want to think about it properly though, because I haven't put in my head what I want to do. But in the forest, it seems like maybe a boulder makes sense. But then I have a boulder mechanic in Zeus's world. Just don't want it to be weird. I'm thinking maybe for the forest we'll do just trees blocking it again. You know how in the Elder thing? That feels a little more consistent to me. And then like in Medusa's world, maybe rubble. I don't know if I want to make it different for each thing, but it might have to be. Yeah, I also don't want to overcomplicate it though. That actually doesn't require any additional code? Really? What does that sign say? Let me show you. It's kind of gibberish on the front. It's some kind of font that I got, and I just wrote "read me," and it's supposed to look. I don't know if that's an actual language of any kind. I should probably check. Would just be a timeline node used in Athena Temple level. Play animation, do mod map action. Yeah, let's just do that then, right? Do you feel like that's the best way to go about it? Otherwise, I can adapt to... If it's like a custom thing every time. It's more like possibly per world. Unless I can think of something more consistent. Which I can. I'm thinking maybe just a bunch of rubble or something. Hold on, let me see. The tree's not even blocking that area. Oh wait, it's not a great example. It's basically gonna block the node before it. Polymetron, hey hey. Might need to walk me through it at some point later. Alrighty. So I'm just gonna decide on whether it's gonna be different per world. I think it is. Or consistent all the way around. I just... Wait, who is on the tree? Who is that? What the heck? He's actually gonna look like this. Or something of the sort. With a little more personality. So this is Newslit, discovered napping beneath the trees, where time seems to not exist. Cute. Good catch. No! Well, when I mess up the level myself, it is a sad moment. No. Okay. See you later, Polymetron. I have never paid rent and never will. Nice, Quack Quack. That's hilarious. Yeah, we're probably gonna do trees. And then we can think of the rest later. I think that kind of works. I secretly only streamed enough to get my own custom emotes. I guess that's true. Do we have a Sisyphus storyline? We do. I think he's referenced twice, but he doesn't appear in the game. He's in Zeus's world, related to the boulder. There's a boulder mechanic. And then in Hades' world, there's apparently a myth where he trapped Thanatos somewhere. So, yeah. So those are two references, but he's not directly in the game. There was even boulder art, right? Was there? I don't think so. I think I was just using a circle. Boulder art? I don't think so. Unless I'm mistaken. Okay, I think I'm happy with this. I was thinking of Hades boulder. That's too funny. I might need to reference that. Oh, do my commands actually show up on this list? I don't know if it does. Not really. Sorry. Oh, Foxglove. Cool. I think I like that. This probably just needs to pop up. Commander Ghost 6. Thank you for the follow. Not sure. Just think by the time Foxglove is on the table, I'll have made an uber successful 3D game myself anyways. And can give lots of good advice. I like the sound of that. As long as I do not struggle. Do I want this? Yeah. Well, I guess I should add that. Alright, well, that might be it for the stream, because I do need to update the engine. And then I'm going to do this, the blocking, what is it? The checkpoint kind of stuff after that. So, I will catch you guys next time. Maybe next Tuesday, possibly tomorrow. Gotta see what my plans are tomorrow. But I might do a shorter stream. You're gonna add all this stuff to Trello. Should I? I feel like it's kind of overwhelming if I put that stuff in. Well, I'll let you know. Sounds good, guys? Okay, I'll add your stuff. Yay! At least we at least you fixed the issue, or got to the bottom of it. It was only a day's headache. It's fine. Cool, cool, cool. Alright, guys. I shall catch you on the other side. Cool. Bye. Playing a build right now? Cool.